Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. 229 and 230. We're getting so close to the finish line. Let's do it. 229 states the probability of a new microwave will stop working in less than 2 years is 0.05. So I'm just going to simplify this a little bit and say, I'm just going to say breaking early in its life. So less than 2 years, I'm just going to say, wow, this thing broke pretty early. If I bought a microwave and it broke in less than 2 years, I'm going to say to myself that, yeah, that's kind of a crappy microwave. All right, then it says the probability that the new microwave is damaged during delivery and stops working early in less than 2 years is 0.4. So let's make a chart like this. This is our raw numbers, and these are the two categorical questions. They either ask, did it break early or not, yes or no? Break early, yes, break, and so it either yes broke early or it did not. This is how I normally do it. Not break early, right? Break early, not break early. Then the other thing is either it was damaged during delivery or it was not damaged during delivery. Okay, there we go. So now it says the probability that a microwave broke early or stopped working in less than 2 years is 5% of the time. So we're going to just say that that's 5 out of a total of 100, just to make our life a little easier. Okay, so 5 out of a total of 100. And so that also tells you, using the complement rule, I'll do in a minute, you kind of know what that is. Keeping going, what's the probability that it's damaged during delivery and stops working in less than 2 years? So that's this break early and damaged during delivery. They're saying that would happen 4% of the time, or 4 out of 100. All right, keeping moving. The probability of a new microwave is damaged during delivery. So whether it broke early or not, just the overall probability it's damaged during delivery, they said, was 10% of the time, or 10 out of 100. Now they've given me all the values. Using the complement rule, you should be filling in these missing items. So I'm going to use a different color just so you know that the ones in black I got from the problem itself, and these you got using the complement rule. So that'd be 1, that'd be 90, correct? That'd be 89. Yep, okay. So you want to just make sure you add, subtract, left and right, make sure everything jives there before you try to actually calculate the probability. And we could calculate a lot of different probabilities. So let's read which probability they want us to calculate. They say, what's the probability it stops working in less than 2 years? Given that the microwave oven is damaged. So only talking about these 10 microwaves out of 100, every 10 microwaves out of 100 damaged during delivery. So given that it was damaged, what's the likelihood that it would break early or stop working? So that is 4 out of a total of 10, and we get 40%, which is our answer. Let me just double check. Yeah, awesome. Okay, love those questions. Next question, 230. It's saying perchlorate is a chemical used in rocket fuel. People who live near a rocket fuel testing site are worried that it's unsafe drinking water. Drinking water is considered safe when the average perchlorate, is 24.5 parts per billion or less. So the water is safe if the average is less than or equal to 24.5 parts per billion. That is what safe means. The average level in the water has to be this, less than that, or equal to that. And so then that would mean kind of doing the complement rule. I guess it's kind of like the complement rule. that we have a sneaky suspicion that the water is not safe. So we have a sneaky suspicion that it's something greater than 24.5 parts per billion. And that would mean that it is unsafe. And ultimately, that's all they asked us for in this question. So we're really just looking for our answer over here. And I believe I've found it. There's my answer. Thanks for joining us.